Whoa, drippin' so much when I walk through the scene that they gon' eat it up like an edible. Yeah, stack on the records, they federal. Powder sweater when I walk in, I set it off. Drill, pull up and fuck up your scene. Water on me, aquamarine. Big Draco, Whitney Houston. 100 round drummers gon' sing. Nigga wanna be like me. Yeah, kids all like Bruce Lee. Yeah, Christian Dior. Yeah, knock, got peas at the door. Yeah, 30 point gon' score. Yeah, on the hammer like Thor. Yeah, wow, sippin' on oil. Yeah, water gon' boil. Big coupe Megazord. Yeah, plain paddock is aluminum foil. Yeah, they gon' eat salt like an edible. Diamonds is extraterrestrial. Whoa, OG organic is vegetable. Yeah, run on them digits and decimals. I got some sand. I got a band. Yeah, my wrist is gon' dance. Stuffing them birds in sedans. Yeah, flex like less. Knee top, light head rest. They gon' throw it back, Michelin Ness. Birds in my coupe, just like Ness. Ooh, kick it like Messi. Geeked up, I'm antsy. Molly got my beard redly. 4-wheel drive reckless.
I come in a bit like vanilla ice. Got the stick and it's singing like Gladys Knight. You would think that I had me a stylist, right? She look at my fashion, really be styling. Your bitch got that water, I call her island. Vibes and island, that's on my fit. I walk in the bitch and I look like a lick. These bitches be sucking the coat like a tick. I Rolex my watch, it don't come with no tick. Keep on flexing like your bitch is the shit. I swear that your bitch get more top than a pick. I been getting money since I was a jit. I be scamming and swiping and jigging and shit. If she give me her card, I'm making plays with that bitch. All the tricking that shit, pull a 10 out that bitch. It's cold.
Flex like less. Knee top, light head rest. They gon' throw it back, Michelin Ness. Birds in my coupe, just like Ness. Ooh, kick it like Messi. Geeked up, I'm antsy. Molly got my beard redly. 4-wheel drive reckless.
Yeah, 4-4 bulldog. Hit a nigga melon, spill a nigga bean. Everybody saying what they gon' do. Yeah, but they just talking, it don't mean it. Try to run down with your deuce. That's a no-no, get a 40. Yeah, I know I'm probably too much. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD. Yeah. I was gonna go and try to fall asleep, but I got too much energy. Yeah, I was gonna go to Canada deep, but all my niggas said they got felonies. Yeah, I was gonna pull up in Givenchy, but I just bought all this ERD shit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Yeah, 4-4 bulldog. Hit a nigga melon, spill a nigga bean. Everybody saying what they gon' do. Yeah, but they just talking, it don't mean it. Try to run down with your deuce. That's a no-no, get a 40. Yeah, I know I'm probably too much. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD. Yeah. I was gonna go and try to fall asleep, but I got too much energy. Yeah, I was gonna go to Canada deep, but all my niggas said they got felonies. Yeah, I was gonna pull up in Givenchy, but I just bought all this ERD shit. I'm too fleet, all the groupies. Yeah, they just wanna get next to me. Yeah, everybody say they run down till they hear that gun sound on that lemon squeeze. Yeah, that your homie ain't your homie. Trust me, paparazzi, that's the police. Yeah, 4-4 bulldog. Hit a nigga melon, spill a nigga bean. Everybody saying what they gon' do. Yeah, but they just talking, it don't mean it. Try to run down with your deuce. That's a no-no, get a 40. Yeah, I know I'm probably too much. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD. Yeah. Sometimes I just be OD. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD. Yeah, sometimes I just be OD.
And sometimes I just be ODing, but I'm from Highbridge, what you thinking? You can punch in mine if yours is reading. You can punch in mine if yours is reading. I give you all my time if you give me reasons. You only call my line when you think I'm creeping. The 30 clip too long, you can probably see it. It's a hip-hop song, but I'm R&B'ing, yeah.
4-4 bulldog. Yeah, hit a nigga melon, split a nigga bean. Yeah, everybody saying what they gon' do. Yeah, but they just talk and they don't mean it. Try to run down with your deuce. Yeah, that's a no, get a 40. Yeah, I know I'm probably too much. Yeah, sometimes I just be ODing.
You can catch me in the cherry red 150. Ooh. Got the grizzly locked in the stizzy. Pop the glizzy doing 60 down a one wizzy. Drunk pissy. Trying to cruise through the avenue while my peoples are popping bottles up in schools. Rendezvous, fuck that. Spun the UE, lost the hubcappers. Back to the shack. Came back, what's that? Straight from Paris. Chicken Debbie's baby cabbage, very yellows. Nice. Bird, cherry radish, fresh out the dealer. Got the check for the squealers. Wear a vest for the killers. Nothing less cause it's realer in the Big Apple. Where it's quick to get your shit tackled. Enemies spit at your best friends. Kidnap you, trust no one. Got beef, buzz, yoga, you don't need no one. Talking about that you owe him, I'ma go for Dolo. Scarface with a Manolo. One deep, probably solo, but deep throwing bolos. It's hard work, baby. I just lost 100 pounds, I'm trying to live. I ain't going nowhere. I'm staying alive, baby.
Don't bust fingers, and it's so hard.
That's my wife, I pay for them titties. Get your own, you heard?
Niggas wanna fuck my wife. Niggas wanna take my life. But it's so hard.
With the squad, we like dogs. Catch us at the bar, the strip bars in Miami. Almost came home with the Grammy. Next year, bring it home 3 for the family. Watch me, you can catch a live on Hitachi. Popping shit like a Nazi. Iced out like DiBiase. Fuck that, Liberace. Pro X Versace. Somebody stop me, never that. Where my niggas at? Uptown. You know you're feeling that cash room. Hardcore, you can dance to. That old Biggie, give me
one more chance.
Take a glance and I'm off with yours. With both hands and off my drawers and jerk me like the Source Awards. I love hip-hop, I ain't even probably the best since alive. Till the squad, niggas stop sleeping. Say your name was again? And I know you from where? Elementary school.
Niggas wanna be like
I don't know you,
but they
man.
gon' bust fingers, and it's so hard.
Money, not you again. Go that way.
Niggas wanna fuck my wife.
Are you checking me outside?
Oh no.
Yeah, we were in a little game of Boston. Boston drill? Yeah, Boston drill. That's right here. You hit the shot, you have to wait until you play defense again. So no one's gonna play defense, and if I make it, then you play defense. You get it? But you know, sure. So I'm not playing defense right now, that's all that matters. You're not playing defense?
You said if I missed. I missed, he gets defense.
That nigga tight.
Play defense eventually, right?
Oh nah. He talking shit.
Stop looking at me. He's playing D on you.
Look at that cheese. What?
Real, man. Muhammad Ali. When you're slowing this shit down.
Yeah.
That's tough. That is very tough right there. Oh. Yeah, how you feel about that one?
Shit, it's warming up.
Because I'm hot now, yeah, you was wrong, yeah, I was right now, yeah, now I'm so upset, I'm a type now, whoa, and I'm so high, everything upside down, I'm so high, everything upside down, yeah, I can drive, yeah, drive fast now,
No, what do you mean? I'm after Lauren.
What do you mean, bro? You gotta play
You went before
defense.
Lauren. You went before Lauren.
What are you talking about? It's not about who goes before. You have to play defense in order to get the
I
ball.
played defense twice and I didn't get the ball. Think about that.
Cause it was.
Cause you probably got scored on.
Cause he scored it.
Cause he scored. Yeah, he did. He scored on a layup.
You missed on me. I got the ball.
I have a camera.
And then Lauren took it. Remember Lauren?
No. Well, the way it works, Chris.
He made the layup on you.
You gotta get the stop.
You gotta get
He
the
made
stop.
a layup, so he kept going. Then Sammy took beat on him, like that. It's like 2K. You don't play 2K. He missed. So Sammy stopped him, so he gets the ball. You gotta get the stop. And they got tight.
Oh my god.
No, I stopped Sammy.
Oh my, look at that. He's not stopping again.
Now Sammy got a guard.
You never gonna get the ball.
Yo, Chris, how do you feel about the Boston drill?
She's whack.
That nigga hates that shit.
I don't like anything Boston. Not even this drill.
Or fuck
Oh,
yo,
nah.
Yo, fucking Gabby smacked that nigga, yo.
Niggas is haters right now.
Yeah. That shit hurt.
That's foul right there.
What?
They're on there hating Boston shit. You know, these New York niggas. I'm a New York nigga, but I don't hate Boston. Oh, nah. Oh, yeah.
Took his bitch, then I read her mind. Took her bitch, cause that bitch was by.
Oh!
And what? If you just stand in his way though and he's driving, that's blocking.
Word, that's it. I'm gonna end it. Like that.
Wait, who has 4?
I got 4.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah, that's 5. That's game. That's game!